equity markets. The Nifty opened on a positive note. However, for the first half of the trading session, it was trading in a sideways manner. Thereafter, that consolidation broke on the downside, and from the lows of around 8056, the Nifty bounced back and ended the day on a flat note, down just 4 points for the day. The market breadth was pretty even, with 723 advances to 748 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, ICICI Bank, ITC, Lupin, Sun Pharma, ONGC, Tata Motors and Bharti Airtel were some of the major drivers, while HDFC Limited, Reliance HDFC Bank, L&T, Kotak, Axis Bank, BPCL were some of the stocks on the positive side. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the negative for the third consecutive day. However, on the daily charts, we can observe that long lower shadow indicating buying at lower levels. Now, on the basis of one candle, it is difficult to predict that a trend reversal has occurred. However, in today's trading session, it has formed an hammer pattern. A hammer pattern needs to be confirmed with a follow-up on the upside in the coming trading sessions. However, that hammer pattern, how much retracement that leads to, is a point that needs to be seen in the coming trading session. On the hourly charts, we can observe that the hammer pattern has been formed. However, we don't expect much amount of retracement. We expect only the Nifty to retrace around this 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which are placed around 81, 83, 82, 45. So these around these levels, traders can initiate short positions. Overall, the trend for the market is on the negative side, so selling on rises near resistances would be the strategy to trade in Nifty. So around 81, 83 or 82, 45, the traders should look for signs of weakness and then go short around these resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also saw a sharp bounce back from the intraday lows. However, it closed also flat, minus 2 points for the day, however on the negative side. Our sense is that along with the Nifty, the Bank Nifty also can retrace a little bit around to their 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. However, the overall trend for the Bank Nifty is negative, and so selling on rise near resistance should be the strategy to trade in Bank Nifty as well. On the upside, 17,860 and 18,080 are crucial resistances or points where traders can initiate short positions, look for signs of weakness and initiate short positions. On the downside, 17,460 and 17,320 are crucial supports. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty still remain negative. In the coming trading sessions, we can expect a little amount of bounce or a retracement of the fall which we have been seeing from the highs of 84.68 till the low of say today's low of 8056. So we are expecting some amount of retracement. However, we are not advising traders to go long. In fact, it is logical to sell on rise near resistances of 81, 83 and 82.45 on the Nifty. So that's all for the day. Thank you.